Welcome back to the channel. I wasn't going to do any more videos, however, I thought it'd be a good idea as a reference point for myself and for someone else that's getting into this sport. This is this track. I've had to strip this other one because I needed the wood until I can get to Bunnings, which is our hardware store, and get some more wood. So what I'm doing is I'm just building this lower level, and this is obviously where the cars finish. And my idea is the cars obviously finish, the start line, finish line will not be there. It's going to be here, right at the end of the track. And then I'm thinking, I've got these mergers left over from the old Fat Track. But the problem with these mergers, I'll show you, if we use my Holden, the Holden will go through, no worries. But when you get wider cars, she gets stuck. So that's a shame, because I like the idea of cars sort of finishing here, the race to the line, and then they will, let me just use this, and then they obviously race to the line. That's the race over. They swing around, and then they'll end up sort of coming into here, I hope, which would be where the tower is. I like this idea. I always had this in mind when I was building it. And the other track will be exactly the same, a mirrored image of the end. But I've now got to build a new merge lane here. And this turnaround for the Hot Wheels stuff is crap. It just doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't work. See that? So anyway, I'll build something maybe out of wood, or I don't know. I do have a 3D printer, but I'm not experienced enough yet with designing and printing this sort of stuff out. So anyway, the other thing is, so here's the base, and it's just yet again made out of the same wood, which is the panel board, relatively cheap pine stuff, and it all just clips in. It's all slotted. It's all just slotted in, and it makes for a really good foundation. These little wings that are hanging out, I'll put another board there, and we'll have grass or something that overhangs. And if it's not wide enough, I can still just add another bit and come out even wider again. Everything's just screwed down. The whole thing is screwed down. One screw in there, one screw in there, and these legs have got 2 screws. So it's sturdy. I can stand on it. You know, it is sturdy when you get enough legs and all of that, as you can see. And the reason I screw it is so next time I have a crazy idea to build a new track, I can just unscrew it. What else do we need to know? I'm just at the end of this section now. This is where I'm building this. So this has a slight lean to it as it comes around there, and then I'll put some support here and build that out with all the bits and pieces I've got. I'm just starting to run out of wood at the moment. Maybe have enough to finish this off. And once that's done, the only thing I've got to do is just re-time the track. Just make sure I've got some good timings. Once that is done, hang on. I've got to build a little ledge here. This is just all sitting on all bits of timber at the moment, so that's crap. And then I just need to also just build another support for this. And once I have the timing going good, then it's basically locked in and we're ready to race. Put the diorama on. This is what it looks like. It got stuck. I've got the timing pretty good. I feel pretty happy with it. Just go again, send him off. Yeah, it's not too bad. I've got a good foundation to be able to then just tweak some of the heights. You know, get a little bit more in some places, maybe bank it over a little bit in other places, but generally this is almost a done deal. And as I say, once I'll get myself locked in here, then I'll take these apart, I'll cut them, put them flush. I'm going to put another board, I think, behind here. Whack some fake grass down there. And I've also still got, we're still good. I've still got all this stuff, all this brickwork that I've used in the previous track, so that's going to be dressed for this one. And this one over here, I'm thinking some kind of desert theme. I don't know, I'm not really good at that sort of stuff. I don't know. We'll have a look when we get to this. Yeah, maybe sort of like more mountainous, but sort of more arid, maybe a bit more like Australia. So they both have a different look and feel about it. Anyway, that's where we're up to. I'm going to keep plugging away. Catch you later.